Welcome to our final episode of our very first season of The Cutting Edge, which is your one-stop shop for all things AWS Wavelength and, of course, Verizon 5G Edge. We're going to take that best experience of compute and storage afforded by AWS and then bring it within the Verizon 4G and 5G mobile networks to deliver that unprecedented application experience.
Building the application in the wavelength zone is one aspect of it, and trying to connect the right clients to the right wavelength zone is so critical. That's where edge discovery comes into the picture. But Summit Tech, for example, is going to use edge discovery service to make sure that their clients, wherever they are in the mobile network, connects to the right wavelength zone at any given time. We want to showcase what type of throughput you can get in a 5G ultra wideband network. Alido, the president of Summit Tech, Ron Nassim, the chief product officer from Summit Tech.
The day MEC was exposed to us, and we tried out our first trials, it was instant. We knew that this is it, this would be a winner. As the round trip time, we realized very quickly was low and allowed virtual reality, especially if you're wearing 360 glasses, where ultra low latency is ultra important. We were around measurements and we realized the potential of 5G.
And so that's part of the magic, because at 1.2 seconds, you can actually have a conversation.
And as the user connects, on real time, the application is being run from the MEC and the user is just getting a viewport of the actual stream. We're able to save 90% of the bandwidth. That's how we're able to do 4K. We needed to have 8K video. We needed to, that create another problem, high bandwidth. That means we have to learn how to hyper-personalize those streams and hyper-personalize them with an application server somewhere in the cloud that's not at the RAN layer, had too long of a latency, and the round trip time was too high, and we couldn't make it very effective from the user's perspective. So the user experience was quite poor. So we needed 5G MEC, and then there was the ability to synchronize those services, as I mentioned to you, those live stream MEC services with the actual voice video services from carrier and embed them into a single stream that's hyper-personal. It makes no difference whether it's a mobile phone or it's an Oculus headset or a PC. It's fully supported through the same platform and the same actual service.
And so what they're going to do is they're going to change the set. They're going to reload the video wall with a completely different layout. They're going to even bring in some models, some racks of clothing.
You gotta check this out. This is happening right now. You have Lisa Chang there, and she's talking about a model. Now, all this technology that I said pushed created that video wall. So her creating the shopping feed actually generated all the products in the shopping feed, jumped on the video wall. So again, it created her event. And then it also fed her tablet with all that information. So she's speaking about it. She's just reading from the tablet of the shopping feed she created.
And I'll leave you with this. This is what we're talking about for the future and even for now.
Okay.
So you literally can buy this camera in the store for a couple of $100s. You can take this, pair this to your 5G phone, press one button on the side of the camera, and start streaming instantly to the MEC. So we make it that accessible. So imagine, not needing any complex server hardware. You can literally just take a camera, put it on 5G, and let the edge compute even do the video encoding, and that's where it's going.